The first endothermic reaction that we noticed on the University of Cebu Intramurals 2022 was the metal utensils that are dipped on a sterilizer. This is an example of an endothermic reaction because the metal utensils absorbs heat from their surroundings, which is the hot water. This makes the utensils warm, thus when someone touches the utensils, it feels warm.
Another example of an endothermic reaction is when a plant absorbs sunlight mostly through its leaves. It captures the energy from the sun that turns light energy to chemical energy, which is called photosynthesis. The plant absorbs the heat from the sunlight and creates oxygen, which is vital for the survival of the earth.
The next thing we noticed was the ice cubes in the juice. This makes it an endothermic reaction since the ice cubes absorb the temperature of the surrounding air, which is the heat from the sun. As we noticed, when the ice cubes are newly added to the water, they are still visible, but after a few minutes of walking, they are no longer visible since they melted.
The fire torch is the first exothermic reaction we've encountered during the second day of intramurals. When the torch was lit, energy was released in the form of light and heat. The flame is triggered by the lighter, which contains butane. This releases energy into the surrounding, which causes a warm environment when someone gets close to it.
Sweating is another example of an exothermic process. It happens because the body cools down as a result of sweat from the skin being released into the surrounding air. The body perspires, commonly known as sweating. As a result of the heat, it will exit the body and then make its way to the skin, where it will reach the surrounding air.
The exothermic reaction is one that occurs while the human body is active, such as running. The heat produced by the muscles warms the person's blood. Running causes the person's muscles to contract, which releases heat as energy. As one warms up, they start to sweat to help them cool down.